Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be doing a little overview of my custom PC because this computer has been upgraded since the last time I did a overview, which was over a couple months ago. So here we go. I'm gonna open it up. By the way, this case is a Antec 300. Um, so got it for a good deal too, and it's one of the good cases. So this is the inside of my computer. I'm not gonna get to that just yet, even though I just opened it. Um, there's a LG CD DVD writer. It also writes dual layers. And then reset button is really in there. See, and then there's a power button, microphone, or microphone's right here, headphones right there, then two USB ports. As you see, this one looks kind of broken. That's because one day, I was sitting at my desk, a USB port, or I had a hub plugged in, and I accidentally swiveled over, and it broke the plastic. The contacts are still there. It still works, so just gotta be careful now. Now here's the back. Power supply's right there. It's a regular power supply. I'm not sure if this is upside down or not. Pretty sure it's not. It's just because the switch is flipped. And then DVI, and then mini HDMI, and then there's also a DVI right here. There's an adapter over it. Hold on as I try to unblock it. Take it off. The reason I screwed these in was because I normally never take this off. And when I have it plugged in and I scoot my thing back, I sometimes have problems. Yeah, see, there's two DVI. Sorry, there's a little shadow. Because it's between 11:50 and 11:30 p.m. And I just want to get this in. And then here's some speaker related ports. I'm not really sure, but I use the green one for my PC speakers. And then I got 4 USB ports. One is taken up. And then Ethernet, not sure how quick it is. And then there's also a DVI on this, and then that's a VGA, and then these are two PS2 ports. I guess they still like to go old school on it. Not really sure. So just trying to get the rest of this down. Guess it's getting rough. But that's my motherboard, and this is my video card, obviously. So let's get to the inside. So power supply, thermal tank, 500 watt. I'm not sure of the model. If you guys know the model, you can comment below or whatever. Like, I know it, but I just can't think of it at the moment. Motherboard is a Gigabyte GA78 LMT S2P. It's a good motherboard. It has the dual BIOS just in case the first BIOS fails. You can also back up your BIOS on like a USB stick and then probably boot it from there to repair it or whatever. So they're probably putting that on all boards today. But here's my video card, video graphics. It is a NVIDIA GeForce GT 440. Not sure what it's clocked at, but it does have a gigabyte of DDR5 memory. So it's a pretty good card. And then here's the cooler. It's the Corsair A70. The reason I got this is because I wanted to overclock my processor, and my stock heatsink that came with the processor wasn't doing the job. I still have the stock in case like this ever fails or whatever. I don't know see how it came though. So, and my processor is a AMD Phenom 2 X2560. It's a dual core processor clocked at 3.3 gigahertz. That's the factory clock. But I overclocked it to 3.6, 3.7. So, there we go. I already explained the DVD drive. I have two hard drives. This one's my primary. It's a 160 gigabyte SATA hard drive. I believe it's a 7200 RPM. And then there's a laptop hard drive right there. It's not SSD, but it just pulled it out for like I'm using it for backups right now because if this drive ever fails or whatever, if the operating system fails, I can just like reinstall Windows and then back it right up or restore it from the backup. So that is pretty much it. Oh yeah, I'll tell you the differences since the last time. The last time I don't think I had this. I had the stock, but I may be wrong. I just can't remember. And then I also have DDR3 memory. Just let me take one of them out. I upgraded to 8 since the last time. But XMS3, it's Corsair. And focus. Hold on. Let's see if it focuses. There we go. Thank God for autofocus. Or focusing. So it's, see, this isn't 8 gig as you see, it's a 2x4. So I have two 4 gig modules. I've noticed it's a noticeable difference. So, and get a mail and rebid on that too. So, I might not be able to get this back in on camera, so I'm just gonna wait. So that's about it. just comment, rate, favorite, subscribe, anything. Check out my other video so you can see what has been upgraded and what hasn't. I may even post like the new specs. If you guys want the specs, I can always message you or message me about specs or whatever. So, this is Jeff OKDA out. I'll be coming back soon for like maybe my first unboxing. I'm not sure, but Jeff OKDA out for now. I'll see you next video. Peace.